They break everywhere bust. I still remember my humble self just to see man. I don't fall out again. I don't come out again. Man, I can't celebrate better pikin. I can't celebrate princess, great princess. Yes, so this girl, this princess, so and she celebrates her birthday on the 21st of March forward month. Yes, so but beside there, now the 13th of this March forward where we did, so like that day be the main day, and that day I should call the world body party day, the day of shopping, so the day of the shopping, my bro, now be that the 21st of March forward. Yes, so yeah, you want for this space, so now it's not publicity, it's not publicity for IT. Yes, so I mean, if you don't see it there around there, bro, may you locate her, not let them tell you, not let them even tell you say right and saint for that area before you know what I mean. This one I logged down, I was with day now, I was Zoom now, red now, I was at the top, so it may use. Before it done, I don't reach there, I'm not gonna lie. Before it done, now come meet me for parlor and you wait. Don't be loud. If you don't say they're around them, maybe you go follow them, celebrate me, go follow them, you blame me on the phone, you know, do like say, you know this was wrong. Go there, maybe go feel yourself with your eyes, say yes. Now who knows how to celebrate birthday, I mean, you don't know if you talk to, and you tell you look, you know, you look in with us, you see this fine girl, you know, you see with us, Michaela, you know, they look up, see, come on there, you don't know, you want to say you don't know Bonner, you don't know, say, you don't look the face, you don't tell me say you don't know Bonner. That's a man, you want to tell me say you don't know say yes, the daughter of Nazo White be this, or you don't know say yes, this the daughter of Success White. You want to tell me say you don't know. This see, widow son, this will be widow son, yes, daughter of Nazo White, yes. Now this 13, if you know here, the open your ear, the year, and this month, so what is 13? Then widow son complete 3 years. Then complete 3 years, but open your ear, be the year, I know what talking again, don't already talk times. Yes, inside there, this 20. On the 21 for Napoli, now there, now be the shopping. Now that day, now they want to do the party. Don't tell me say you don't here. Don't tell me say you don't go. If you like, not go. They don't lock down. Lockdown don't do it. Lockdown don't do it. Even my city yesterday, lockdown don't reach here. You understand? They only tell person. They only tell you person. They feel it so. If you feel dodge it out there, go flex. Carry the one we want to show for us before lockdown finish. A princess is fit for yes, the year word. You know how they celebrate that princess, that daughter of Greece. Now that day now she celebrate her birthday. Now that day be everything shopping the boss on the 13th. Now that day they born, you know sir. Happy birthday to you, you know sir. Enjoy your day, man. You celebrate nobody in the year was say yes. Now they be your birthday, you cut your claim, you know, not look anybody face. Say that say yes. Anything you want to make you do say yes. He get your back, say yeah, what he does. Even your mommy say, your mommy they celebrate, they tumble, they come on left for us, say yeah, first if we take come their life, say yes, they bring better, they make everything easy for them, say yes, it's we take come, so happy that they get for the family, say yes, so joy, they carry the con, say yes, so smile, they gift you are, and they give the family, they give the house. Say yes, we celebrate. Say why they not go celebrate? Why they not going to give you the joy? Why they not going to give you the joy back? Say yes, as you corner, so they take follow you as you happy corner, so they happy follow you. Say yes, we brother. Say yes, they happy. Say yes.